Hi, I'm Gracie. Welcome to Lockdown Lunches. Today we're making tomato soup. First we'll need our ingredients. We will need some butter, garlic, flour, pesto, brown sugar, some salt, milk, tomato puree and tomato passata. First we will need to turn the heat on. Now we'll need to add in butter. Okay, as the butter's starting to melt like this, we will need to add in our garlic. And give it a stir. Now the butter's melted and the garlic's had a minute or two, we will need to add in the flour. This is actually how the cheese sauce started looking like. Now it's all in and mixed up. We need to add in our pesto. Okay, when all the pesto is mixed in, we will need to add in our brown sugar. And mix it. It's all mixed in, we will need to add 2 pinches of salt. Now we need to add in our milk bit by bit. Now the milk is all added. Time to add in our tomato puree. We'll need quite a bit of this. Now we need to add in our tomato passata. Okay, now the soup's finished. And here is your lockdown lunch. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe and see you next time for more lockdown lunches.